Welcome students to class 11 English classes conducted by your English teacher Monica Kaur. Before I start with Hornbill, I would like to request you all to like and subscribe my channel. Chapter 2, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, Part 2. The narrator and his family.
Welcome back students to class 11 English part 2 of Hornbill chapter number 2, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Students, I told you in my first video about the author, and even I told you about the theme, that if you are courageous, if you are brave enough to face any type of the problems in your life, so then you would be able to win all the world's that problem. Okay, so here let's start with now the main of the chapter. Today we are going to study in this the first page summary plus the first page summary sexual expression and the relatable vocabulary. Okay, but students, before I move, let's talk about the main characters of the story. Okay, so here it is. Number one, the narrator. The narrator, who was 37-year-old man who had a passion or a dream of sailing the duplicate round of the 200 years ago done by James Cook. Okay. Next is wife Mary. Then Jonathan, who is also being in the chapter written as John, is his son, the narrator's son, who is 6 years old. Okay. Then Suzanne, who is being also referred as a Sue in the story, a daughter of a narrator, and as well as a 7-year-old girl. Then except these four people who started their journey from Plymouth in 1976 July. Not only these four people were there, but the two other characters in the story had a great impact on whole of the adventurous sequences in this chapter. Now these are, one is Larry Vigil. Larry Vigil was an American sailor, and Herb Sigler was a Swiss sailor. Swiss here refers to the native of Switzerland. Okay, so these are the 6 characters of the story. Now let's start with the summary of the first page. The summary starts with that when they had started their journey, the narrator, his wife and 2 children started their journey in July in 1976. Although before starting off their journey, they had almost spent 16 years of their lives. They did not go for any entertainment. They did not go for any of the entertainment journey. They did not even pass their time like that. But they passed their time preparing themselves psychologically for this duplicate round voyage of James Cook. They were sure that they want to go for that voyage. Voyage here refers to what, students? Sea long journey. Okay. So they mean preparing themselves for each and every part of the problem they were going to face during that voyage. Not only this, students, they were also taking the knowledge about that if all type of the problems were going to come, how to tackle them. Although I told you that the narrator himself was a great experienced sailor, but then also that he wanted to explore the things by going on with the great knowledge about other part of the sea levels also. So like this, during their 16 years that preparation, they had made a boat, and they called a boat Wave Walker. And this boat was 23 meters long and 30 tons of that heavy boat. And then before they start their original journey in July 1976, they had already taken a test drive of that boat in a bad weather, because that boat was made by them in the supervision of the experienced boat makers, where they had used the modern equipment. Okay, and not only this, they were actually had the journey of 3 years. They had this thought process in their mind that their journey of the 4 directions was going to take 3 years. So they had equipped their boat with each and everything for those 3 long years, because they were in the water. No other thing would be there. Around there it would be only water. So they had put each and everything in that boat. They had made it for 3 years their house. And then they set that for their journey after all these things. Okay, and then from during this 3-year-old journey, they had almost covered 1,05,000 kilometers up to that near about that Cape Town. And from Cape Town, they went towards to the east. But before moving from the Cape Town, they wanted an experienced sailor of that direction. So they invited the 2 very experienced sailors with them as their crew members. Crew members mean as a partners in the boat or in the ship. Okay. So these 2 crew members were, one was the American great sailor Larry Vigil, and another was Swiss Herb Sigler. They both were really very good, because after the east of the ocean, they were actually moving towards the southern part of the Indian Ocean, which was really very, very dangerous and filled with a lot of surprises to them. So they wanted a help from these experienced sailors who were already there in the southern Indian Ocean. What comes next, students? Was their journey from Cape Town only started really very bad? Or did their journey was so smooth? Let's talk about that, all the things, in the next video. Okay? So let's talk about the textual expression of these 3 paragraphs. From these 3 paragraphs, only one textual expression is there, and that is honing hours, and this called, how we call it, seafaring. Honing our seafaring skills. And what it means here? First of all, sharpening our knowledge of navigation. That what they were doing, they were developing their skills to learn or to develop the skills of the equipment or about the ship, so that it would be easy for them to control if there would be any problem. Okay, so this is the first textual expression. Now the last part of this video is vocabulary. Vocabulary from these 3 paragraphs. First is seafaring. Now what do you mean by seafaring? Seafaring means a sea journey. Okay, so how you will make the sentence out of it? I love seafaring, that's why I joined Navy. Okay, I hope you people have understood. Next is honing. Now honing means to develop skills. If you want to specialize in anything else, you have to hone it. Hone here refers to developing skills. Okay, so I hope students, you have understood the vocabulary, textual expressions and the first page summary. I will be back again with the next video. Before signing off, students, I would like to request you what to do. Yes, students, you have to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.
These are the 3 questions from the summarized paragraph as assignment number 1.